So I want to go in under my projects, STK Cepeda. And of course, you're very familiar with this. And wanting to, I pull out and look at the sponsor dashboard. We're really going to start advocating the use of this because it's very beneficial for sponsors to be able to maintain an accurate and current status of their sponsees. So notice TK Cepeda has a sponsored user of Tanya, and it's going to show right here. So what if I wanted to resend an account creation? Each one of these buttons will notify us as the admin of what you want to do for this specific user that you're sponsoring. Now, again, some of these aren't going to show because it's not applicable, but this is what you're going to get when you use these. This is, you could send it. We're going to get a notification on our side to reset this person's password. Now, you being the sponsor, you're very much aware of the fact of which sponsees you want to have their, their password reset. Or say, for instance, what if you want to set an expiration date for them? Or if you want to extend an account expiration date? What if one of your users has been suspended? You can send us a request to unsuspend them. Or you can also suspend them. I hope nobody heard that. I live right in the flight zone. So I'm not sure if you are using this as a regular tool currently, but would really like to advocate that it be shared and you folks start using it, or for your other folks that you know who are sponsoring people, if show them this, get them used to using it. The other section within this sponsor dashboard is also the user access dashboard. User access dashboard lets you know who all's in the specific project that you are holding. What are their project status? So I only want to see only development projects. I'm just going to show the project that is only in development stage. Now this is including or excluding. So all the others are included in on this. We have our production projects. So it's only going to show those projects that are in production. You can delete them from here. You can also do what's called fetch. And you can see when was the last time this person was in this particular project. Reload your page. And you can check for each person within any project, and it'll give you an exact date and time of the last time they had access to that particular project. These are very informative for sponsors, and I just thought I wanted to take a minute and share it with everybody so that they could start using it. And that's about all I have for today. Is there any questions?